Welcome to your Make 3 Breakthrough. Your next breakthrough is unique to you, and we provide the resources you need to make it happen. Let's walk through who this is for, what it does and why, and how you can get started. The Make 3 Breakthrough is for you if you feel stuck, burnt out, or feel like you've tried it all. Maybe you're on a recovery mission from a holiday or vacation and need to reset. Maybe you're on or have used GLP-1s and seek to protect your muscle tissue or build more muscle and learn how to eat properly. Or maybe you just want natural options that work without needles or synthetic substances with potential long-term side effects. If you relate to any of these, the Make 3 Breakthrough is for you. The Make 3 Breakthrough consists of 3 natural peptides, 3 changes, 3 months, and 3 bonus assets. Peptides are cellular messenger molecules, and they help improve the communication from cell to cell, organ to organ, every system in your body. FIT helps to recover, maintain, and build. Your body needs to recover well, it needs to maintain the lean muscle tissue that you have, and it also needs to help you build more. Building and synthesizing new lean muscle tissue takes the right amount of protein, it takes workouts, but what if there was a peptide that could help to build and synthesize lean muscle tissue 4 times faster than whey protein alone and 5 times faster than creatine alone? That's what we've got for you. Lean is your second peptide. This helps you quiet food noise and alter your craving profile. Altering your craving profile means that you still can eat, but you're not craving salt, you're not craving fat, you're not craving the desserts and the chips and the fried foods. You're actually craving the things that your body needs. Lean also attacks visceral fat. Visceral fat is the deep abdominal fat, and the beautiful thing about lean is there's 0% muscle loss, and 65% of the fat lost is from the abdominal and trunk area. Restored is your last peptide. It's not about the amount of time you're in bed. It's about the quality of sleep you get when you are in bed. Restored will improve your deep sleep, where your brain detoxifies, and your REM sleep. Better recovery means your systems are balanced, and during the day, you have improved performance, improved energy, and your weight loss results increase exponentially. 3 changes that are non-negotiable. Our first change for you is your movement, and that is 7,500 steps or more every single day. Our second non-negotiable change is going to be your sleep. Goes right along with that restored peptide. We're gonna focus on the consistent time you go to bed, the temperature in the room, and the lack of tech surrounding the time you go to bed. The last one is your swaps. What does that mean? It means you're gonna choose 3 choices that you're making. Everybody's a little different, and you're gonna swap them for healthier ones. An example is swapping processed sugar foods for fruit, or swapping soda pop for water. You choose what is going to help you get the best results. Now, we also have 3 free bonus assets to elevate your progress, valued at over $600. There's a protein building meal plan. Did you know that when you're trying to eat healthy and you've either been under eating or eating poorly, adding in protein at the amount you should have can feel very uncomfortable because the body's not producing the proper digestive enzymes to break that protein down. We are going to give you a meal plan with a grocery list, a portion that you can follow, and step-by-step guidelines on what to eat and when. And you're going to be able to gradually increase that protein and feel incredible losing weight while you're doing it. The second free asset will be workouts, and the third free asset will be an incredible recipe book to go along with everything. Now, when can you get started? Well, why not lock in your commitment right now? You can choose when you start, or you can start with one of our accountability groups. All you invest is your time and a little bit of money. How much? $6.90 a day. How about that? I know that sounds a little crazy based on everything I just shared with you, but the value of your peptides and these 3 bonus resources for 3 months is $1,220.91, where you're only going to pay $206.97 a month, which is $6.90 a day. Get a link from the person who gave you this video, because if you've never ordered with us, their link will knock another $10 off your first order. Once you order, here's what happens next. Check your email for a confirmation and welcome M3 Breakthrough message. We will then automatically add you to our text campaign with guidance, tips, and education. Make sure your account with Make Wellness has you opted into text communication to get these. If you like to utilize Facebook groups, join one of our Facebook groups for added accountability, testimonials, and challenges. There are some really incredible prizes you could win too. Guide 1 in Facebook groups has all the breakthrough details. You're worthy and capable of massive breakthroughs in your life, and we're going to give you every puzzle piece that you need except the most important one, you. Your commitment to act, to put yourself first for 90 days, and know that everyone around you, everyone you serve, and everything you do will improve when you take care of you. Your obstacles are not there to deter you, they're there to drive you. The M3 Breakthrough will help you break down the walls of every obstacle in your path and lead you to the breakthrough that you seek, because you deserve it. We can't wait to hear about what happens for you the next 90 days. Let's go break through.